Welcome to FoamZilla, where innovation meets cleanliness. Our revolutionary car soap delivers a showroom-worthy finish with ease. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime and hello to a sparkling shine. FoamZilla's advanced formula combines powerful ingredients to dissolve dirt and grime effortlessly. It's gentle yet effective on all car exteriors, and it's easy to use. Plus, it's an eco-friendly secret to achieving a spotless shine. FoamZilla's formula penetrates deep into every nook and cranny, leaving no stubborn stains behind. Say goodbye to imperfections with FoamZilla and say hello to a spotless, showroom finish. FoamZilla is formulated with care, ensuring it won't compromise your car's paint, wax, or sealant. It's free from harsh chemicals, making it safe for all car exteriors. Simply pour FoamZilla into a bucket or foam gun, add water, and watch as a luxurious foam is created. The thick foam clings to the surface, providing maximum coverage and allowing the soap to work its magic. Experience the transformative power of FoamZilla and take your car cleaning routine to the next level. Order your bottle today and discover the joy of a brilliantly clean car that stands out from the crowd.